To find the expected value, also known as the mean or expected value of a continuous random variable of probability density function, is given by function which is equals to 1 upon 28 in multiplication with 3 plus 1 upon under root x. Now the interval is 1, 9 in closed interval. So the expected value of e of x is given by, so e of x is equals to integration from 1 to 9 of the function x in multiplication with fx dx. Moving further, integration 1, 9 or from 1 to 9 x in multiplication with 1 upon 28 in multiplication with 3 plus 1 upon root x dx. Now we can split this integral into two parts. So part and then integrate. So we will going to divide it into two parts and then we will integrate each separately. So here first part, integration from 1 to 9 of 3x dx. So now we are going to solve this. 3x square by 2 from 1 to 9. So we are going to put upper limit minus lower limit. So here 243 by 2 minus 3 by 2, which we are going to solve further. So we will get 240 by 2, which is equals to 120. So this is our first part. Now for the second part, we are going to solve integration. For second part, integration 1 to 9 of x upon under root x dx. Now here same, the range is 1, 9, so 2 by 3 in multiplication with x to the power 3 by 2 from 1 to 9. Now putting values from upper limit minus lower limit, so we will get 2 upon 3. So here we can see upper limit minus lower limit 27 minus 1, which we are further solving it, so we will get 52 upon 3. Adding these results together, we will get e of x, which is equals to 1 upon 28 in multiplication with 120 plus 52 upon 3. Now further solving is 1 upon 28 in multiplication with 412 upon 3. So after solving this equation, we are going to have 412 upon 84. Now cancelling out, this is 21 times, this is 103 times, so we will get 103 upon 21. So the expected value of random variable is 103 upon 21. This is our final answer.